This is a big old bird, y'all. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it's got a rabbit, and I hope it don't attack me. It's got a rabbit pinned to the ground. That bird's spooky. He is not scared of me. He is wanting to keep his dinner. He is freaking me out, though. He's allowed to come attack me. Look at him. He's got his top of his head puffed up. Man, I don't know what kind of bird you are, but you spooky. Oh, man, it didn't even fly off. Sorry, y'all, for screaming. I'm afraid that thing will flog me. It's got his little mouth. I don't know. This is Greg's trailer outside of the shop. I'm gonna find a rock and chunk it at him. I'm gonna get me some rocks. Oh, that crazy bird. He's not leaving his dinner. He wants to keep his dinner. Oh, Greg's gonna like you. He is. Greg's gonna like you, buddy. Sitting in the front of his plate.